Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will help you play Color My World on guitar. This beautiful song, originally a piano piece, translates wonderfully to acoustic guitar. We'll start by learning the essential chords: C major 7, F major 7, and G major 7. These form the backbone of the song, so getting comfortable with them is your first step. Focus on clear notes and smooth changes as you practice. Next, let's dive into the iconic fingerpicking pattern. For many sections, you'll use a pattern like 5-4-3-2-3-4 on the strings. Your thumb will handle the bass notes, typically on the 5th or 4th string, while your index, middle, and ring fingers pluck the higher strings. Practice this slowly to ensure each note rings out clearly and evenly, creating that signature arpeggiated sound. Now, let's put the chords and fingerpicking together within the song's structure. The verse often moves between chords like C major 7 and F major 7, while the chorus might feature G major 7. Listen closely to the original recording to capture the subtle dynamic changes, playing softer in some parts and with a bit more emphasis in others. A consistent, flowing rhythm is key to making the song sound cohesive. To truly master Color My World, consistent practice is essential. Start by using a metronome to develop precise timing and a steady rhythm. Regularly listen to the original recording to internalize the song's emotional depth and subtle nuances. Pay close attention to your finger placement, ensuring each chord rings out cleanly without any unwanted buzzing. With dedication, you'll be playing this beautiful piece confidently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.